Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing V from Murder Drones. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off near the top and let's draw two ovals for the eyes. And then add another set of ovals inside. Next, at the bottom, in between the eyes, let's draw a small curve, and then curve it down and over on both sides. Now I'm going to zoom in to finish drawing the rest of the head. From the sides, let's draw a small angle down, and then curve it down to the center for the chin. Now let's move inside and draw the mouth. Let's draw a wavy line up and over to the right, and then add a curve underneath. Next, inside at the top, let's draw two V shapes for the teeth, and then a line across in between. And then color the rest of the mouth in black. And that's it for the mouth. Next, let's move to the top and let's add the headband. Let's hop up to the top and let's draw a curve across. And make sure you leave enough room for the bangs. And then add another curve on top of this one. Next, inside, let's draw an oval in the center. And then two more on both sides. Next, let's hop underneath and let's start drawing the hair. Let's start underneath on the left and let's draw an S-shaped curve down and out. And then another one underneath. Now let's draw a curved piece over to the right in the center here and back over. And then a longer wavy piece over to the right and then curve it up at the end. And then a curve underneath to close it off. Now under this piece, let's draw a curve in towards the eye, and then curve it back up. And let's do the same thing on the left. But this one, let's bring it all the way up to the headband. Now let's hop underneath the cheeks and let's draw another curve in on both sides, and then curve it back up. Now let's hop up to the top left and let's draw a wavy line down on the side and curve it in at the bottom. And let's do a longer one over to the right in the same way. Now let's add another piece underneath by curving it down and back up. Next, let's move under the chin and let's draw two lines down for the neck and a curve at the bottom. Now next to the neck here, let's add one more curved piece of hair on both sides. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. Underneath the neck, let's draw 2 curves coming down to a point. And then a V shape up inside at the bottom. And then color this in black. Next, let's add the collar to the shirt. Let's draw an angle in from both sides. And then a V shape underneath. Now top down, and let's draw 2 angles down and in for the sides of the shirt. And then a curve across the bottom. And then inside the shirt, let's draw a line down the center. Now top underneath, and let's draw 2 curves down and out for the waist. And a curve at the bottom. Now let's move underneath and let's draw the legs. Let's start next to the waist and let's draw a curve down on both sides. And then curve it down and in, meeting at a point. Now for the outside, let's curve it down and in. And then a set of angles for the inside of the legs. Now from the bottom, let's angle it out on both sides. Then we're going to angle it back in, leaving a gap at the bottom. And then close off the bottom with a small curve. Next, let's move inside and add some details to the legs. Inside the tops of the thighs, let's draw a set of 2 curves. And then add some diagonal stripes inside. Now let's color every other section in black. Now top to the bottom, and let's draw a curve across. And again, let's add 4 diagonal stripes inside each one. And color the stripes in black. And that's it for the legs. Now top back up and let's draw the arms. Let's start by drawing the left side. For this one, let's draw a set of 2 angles going out, and then a curve for the sleeve. Now at the end of the sleeve here, let's draw another set of angles going out, and then a curve at the end. Now for the next part of the arm, let's angle it down like this. And then a curve at the end. Now inside this section, let's add another curve, and then diagonal stripes inside. And color the stripes in black. Now let's add the hand resting on the hip. Let's start with a small diagonal line in, and then a curve, and then bring it down and back up. And that's it for the left arm. Now let's move over and draw the right side. For this one, let's draw a curve down, and then another line down inside. And then close off the end of the sleeve. Now let's hop into the sleeve and let's draw 2 curves across. Now move underneath, and for the arm, let's draw 2 lines down and a curve at the bottom. And again, for the next section, let's angle it down and out. And a curve at the end. Let's hop inside again and let's draw a curve at the bottom and add diagonal stripes. And color these in black. Next, underneath for the hand, let's draw a curved square shape. Then a curve for the thumb. Another finger next to it. Then another one in the same way. And then for the last finger, let's curve it down and in. And then add some curves inside each of the fingers. And that's it for the main part of the body. Lastly, let's add the tail. Let's start next to the right leg and let's draw a curve down, bringing it up, around, and back down again. And now let's do the same thing underneath. And then let's close off the end. Next, underneath, let's draw a skinny rectangle. And then add a larger rectangle next to it on the right. And then a line across inside at the top. Now on top of this rectangle, let's draw 2 curves. And then for the last section, let's draw a curve down on the left. And then another curve next to it, stopping here. Then let's angle it out and down, coming to a point. And that's it for V. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!